Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you get ultimate team of the season player. How to earn, how to get ultimate team of the season's player in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get a lot of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this UTOTS event banner. And you can jump in the ultimate or UTOTS chapter here. So as you can see, you can earn UTOTS point and UTOTS player by completing quests, watching ads, and claiming daily reward. So you can watch the ads to claim 5 points. You can get free points reward every day, or you can purchase 50 ultimate TOTS point. And also you have to challenge, you have to complete this quest. You can score 100 goals in any mode, you can get 30 TOTS points, complete 30 tackles in any mode, another 30, and assist for 50 goals in any mode. So this is for once a week, so you need to complete this quest within the week. So after that, you can claim this ultimate TOTS reward. First one is tradable player with 94 and 99 OVR. You need 500 of point. If you're lucky, you can get one of this player. And also the untradable player, you got a 98 and 99 OVR, also with 500. But if you don't have patience, you can claim this UTOTS Team A player with only 80 points to get one of these possible rewards, but it's very gambling. So this team A consists of players for the Premier League, Bundesliga, Liga, Ligue 1, Uber Eats, La Liga, and Serie A. And the second one, the team B, also you need 80 consists player from another league, so you can get Lionel Messi, Ronaldo, Di Maria, and many more. So with only 80 tokens, you can earn one of this player. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.